Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please do so by clicking on the subscribe button below. My name is Margrette. Hello! I was actually vlogging and Kitty approached me because he wants to be involved in this vlog again. So hi Kitty! Say hi to the viewers, Kitty boy. Okay, so I'll be vlogging about Chili Republic Siomai. Thank you so much Honey Clover Sato for sharing one whole pack of chili siomai for our family to enjoy. We actually ate the siomai for around 4 to 5 days now. Monica, Kitty's nanny, she prefers to fry the siomai because it's a lot quicker than steaming it. So what I did earlier is I steamed it when I cooked the rice. So I placed it on top of the rice using a steamer compartment, of course. So I have this one here right now. This is the one I placed on top of the rice. I actually filled this with siomai, but since my family love to eat them, so gamay na lang nabilin karon. So this is the actual siomai. So here are fun facts of their siomai. It's made of imported meats. The wrapper is not outsourced. It doesn't have flour and extenders. It's all meat. It's close to premium quality. It has a lighter color, so that means the lighter the meat, the better the quality. It has 6 months shelf life, so you don't need to worry about spoiling or wasting any of the siomai once you buy it directly from Honey Clover. And for their siomai sauce, it's non-fat. They use honey as the sweetener. It's non-synthetic and they also use vegetable oil. It's 100% organic. It doesn't contain MSG or vetsin. So I'm gonna be eating some of their Chili Republic siomai here right now. Since I ran out of hot sauce since the product was given to me a week ago, so we used it for our breakfast or lunch. So I prefer using it right now with Maggi Sabor, and it actually tastes good. I use this when I eat siomai during our meals. So here you go. It's very soft because I steamed this. You can also fry it if you want. And based on the texture of the siomai, it doesn't really have any other extenders because you can feel that the meat is very smooth. It doesn't have any bulky tidbits inside. So every time you order and you run out of sauce, I suggest you buy the Maggi Sabor. They come in 3 different flavors. They have calamansi, they have classic, and they also have spicy. In case you want to order, I'll be placing the details here in the description, and you can also message Honey Clover Sato in Facebook. So if you want to order, this is only 340 pesos and it already has its sauce with it. So once again, if you want to place your orders, you can comment down here below or you can directly message Honey Clover Sato in Facebook. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button below, and if you have any comments or any suggestions on what I should be doing next, kindly place them in the comments below. And if you want me to try out your products, do message me in Facebook. And also, if you want to show your support to my channel, please do click on the subscribe button below and also click on the bell notification so that you will be aware if ever I have new vlogs uploaded. Thank you so much guys and have a great day, lovies. See you in my next vlog.